Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agent.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 9 Ray Street in Cooey Bay.
Situated at the end of a cul-de-sac, only 100 metres from the beach, this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom characteristic cottage is on a 682 metre square allotment and really is all about the location.
Come on in and have a look.
Favourite feature about this property has to be the closed-in balcony, which offers views out towards Roslyn Bay.
So guys, that was 9 Ray Street in Lammermoor. If you'd like to view this property, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.